How to fix a black screen or startup fix in Valorant. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you have to make sure that you have closed your Valorant application. Now go to search and then search for services. Tap this one. And then here, what you're going to do is simply type letter V. You should see VGC. Right click, go to properties. And then here, startup type set to automatic, and then click apply, then click OK. You should see the start here, but actually I am currently using automatic. So once you click apply and OK, tap start and it will start running. As easy as that. Now, if you still encounter the problem, you should go back to your desktop and then F11 or kindly tap Alt and Enter at the same time. Now, if it still doesn't resolve the problem, try the next method. Go to Valorant, right click, open file location, and then go to Riot Games, go to Valorant, go to Live, click Valorant, and then kindly go to Properties. Okay, you just have to tap this Show More Options, and then look for Properties here. Okay, and then once you tap Properties, you just have to go to Compatibility, and then make sure that you have checked this Run Program as Administrator and Display Full Screen Optimization. And then once done, you can exit this. And if this still didn't work, you just have to go to the search icon, type person symbol, app data person symbol. And here, go to app data, go to local, and then look for Valorant folder. Tap that, and then click save. Now you just have to click this web cache and config, and then click delete. You just have to click these two folders and then exit. Now, if still it didn't work, go to the search bar, type environment, click edit the system environment, and then kindly tap this environment variables. Okay, tap this one. And then once you tap this environment variables, you just have to go to the system variables and then click new. Now you just have to follow this, what I'm going to type. And then once done, all you have to do is to click OK. Now, if still you encounter the problem after doing these methods, then you should do the very last step, and that is to simply uninstall Valorant, go to Control Panel, and then go to Programs, uninstall program, look for Valorant, and then right-click, click Uninstall, then you have to install it again. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.